Alright guys, so we were greeted with a manual, which was not unexpected, but what was unexpected is I thought this was going to be pre-installed, and it's not. So, let's see, there's not a whole lot going on in there. Okay, cool. Just when you thought it was going to be easy, right? Okay, let's see what this cool looking thing is all about. Okay. It looks nice. I guess that means that this screws on there. That should be nice too. I hope I don't have to solder anything, because that would wreck my day. I know how to solder things, but I didn't think this was supposed to be one that has the soldering stuff to do. Anyway, oh, this is cool. This is the camera itself.
Likey.